It's long span, both sides of the full implant. Now finish the frame design. Really good. This is top of the line, Titan 7-star case. There's another lucky patients today. Here's why it's tough one. Here's a long span. It's already over limited. So if they do zirconia acrylic, we're going to problem in the future, 100%. And then here's a shortage of our implant too. They don't have to. Looks like they want the Titan 7-star. So here's the huge issue, that one. So here's the another issue too. In order to make this, which is after they gave us as prototypes, so they will get this lot of problem with friction. But 7-stars make thin, incredibly well done. So we made the verification kit. They made a great wax try-in and then mounting with the hanao. And here is the guideline, and then they can tell us what can do next time. And then we can finish it for 7-star. That's my recommendation. Don't recommend the zirconia. Otherwise, this is huge fake restoration. Just the grinding, everything grinding. We'll get porcelain fracture too. Alright, this is 7-star case. The teeth set up. The finer. Okay, so we're trying to make this better hygiene. Alright, that was the underneath. Let's look at this. It's extremely thin. That's good. Nice long span. Nice final tools. There's another step one. It's 4 implants with a huge Kahng with the Titan 7-star cases. We'll get it now. It's long span, both sides of the full implant. Now finish the frame design. Really good. Underneath, good hygiene for the porcelain in the future. Size. Right now, ready to pack. This is final 7-star cases for Unibridge. The single K9. And the lateral. And the central. Here's another central too. This lateral K9 to Unibridge. So doctor will going to put the composite here outside. Anyway, it's made a great long span, very thin, tall, protected angulations, another Prosthetic size. So like I said, cannot accomplish with the zirconia. Otherwise they have to make really thick, just like this much thick, 5mm thicker, which is, I don't think patients like that. So this is one of the benefits with the Titan 7-star cases, just lifelike, not only art with the functions and science for the matching the lower teeth. Right, all grinding. This is the fake restorations. Here's natural copper teeth. Here's another fake bridge. Now the issue is the occlusion is different. It's higher than this. Okay, so this one probably they have to trim down here is better because I'm talking about the occlusion. Don't get any problem about the cracking. This is making with the hanao articulations. Check this. I'm talking about here. Okay, so we make the half size from the tooth. I don't have to add it here, so don't have any problem. On the other side. This is showing before, you see? So half size over there. Anyway, it's also protect the teeth as well as the highest aesthetics. Now finally finish it. It's now ready to cement. You see all my previous video, which is I publish YouTube and Patreon, how to make the cementation. Depends on the color underneath. Okay, so matching this one first, and then individual restoration. This is top of the line, Titan 7-star case. There's another lucky patient today. It's now after cementations, to finish the top of the line, which is world class, exactly mimic with the natural tissue contour and color shape it, and also great emergence profile for the patients. And most likely this one is exceptionally long and they make really thin integrity, as cleansable as possible. And also its implant site at the other side. We just match it off, perfectly finish it. Another lucky patients with full protections, and then they have to wear this guard for the nighttime, just like this. Okay, so always wear it and then protect it.